welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm really sorry about not uploading content regularly on my channel because recently I've taken up a part-time job and I'm supposed to deliver videos for that advertising company. So this goes on separately and my YouTube shooting goes on separately. And since it is a registered company, the videos that I'm creating for that company is copyrighted and I'm not supposed to, reveal them on any other social media website. So the videos will go live on their own website and their own advertising platform. So the video actually belongs to them. I just give them the raw footage and then they make their own edits with their company logo, with their company name and all that. So basically I'm doing an anchoring job with them. I'm the host for their videos. So since I'm doing that as well, I hardly find any time to record videos for my YouTube channel, and since I'm concentrating on my Tamil channel as well, I'm taking extra effort to gain some subscribers on my Tamil platform as well. So that's why I'm not giving you guys regular content, and amidst all this I have my interior work going on and I'm in regular touch with my interior company. Every time I give them new requirement and then they come up with suggestions and then we work out the amount of money we are going to spend on the new requirement. We work out on the total cost of the interior and what other alternatives we have to reduce the cost and all that. So there are so many steps in the interior designing as well, and since Dan is not here, everything has to be handled only by me. I have to play different roles and everything has to fit properly as well. So that's why there is a delay in content uploading all the time on my channel. I'm not even able to tell you guys when the next video is going to come up on my channel, which is really bad, and Danton hates it if I'm not punctual with my channel, and that's why I'm sticking to the time at least. So whenever I try to upload a video and the video is not going to get uploaded before 11 o'clock, then I will not publish the video that day, so that at least I can upload the video at 11 o'clock sharp. So whenever there is a video on my channel hereafter, it is going to be only at 11 a.m. in the morning. Okay, fine guys, so this entire video is about my kitchen design because I have finally received the finalized version of my 3D kitchen. I wanted to start with the kitchen first because I feel that is the heart of the home. That is where I spend most of the time in cooking for my family. So I wanted to start with the kitchen and get it ready so that I can get it off my head, and then we'll move on to other parts like bedroom, hall, living area, etc. And I had already asked you guys in the community tab about the color combination that I've used for my kitchen. I already told you guys that one of the colors is white. So many of you told me it's white with red, white with green, white with blue, white with grey, white with black, and so many other color combinations, but none of you actually guessed the color that I chose for my kitchen. Only one girl, I think her name is Pranati, only she guessed it right. And yes guys, now let's take a look at my 3D kitchen design and the color combination that I've chosen. This is actually the original look of my kitchen with coffee cup tiles for the kitchen backslash and brown tiles for the utility area. The actual size of the kitchen is 7 by 9, but since the utility area becomes a part of the kitchen, the counter space is just 5 by 6 for me, which is actually very small. So the main challenge was to maximize the functionality in the minimum space available. I took pictures of each and every wall of the utility and of the kitchen, and using my stylus I drew the type and the number of cabinets that I want. I wanted it to be cost effective as well, so according to my desire and requirements, the interior company cooperated very well and gave me a rough 3D draft of the kitchen. We used this rough 3D draft to decide on the designing aspects, like we changed the tiles of the backslash. You can see that the tiles are white now. The builder had given loft only on one side, but we extended the loft to the other two sides. I also told them where I want designer hydraulic openings for the cabinets, where I want glass doors, and where I want normal plywood doors. After all this, we decorated the kitchen with a hanging beautiful lantern and some planters. I created this open space to keep electronic items like my food processor, bread toaster, water kettle, and other new items that we will be buying like the electric cooker, etc. I have also placed a small foldable table here. Since it is yellow in color, it's not clearly visible. We can just put a chair here and have our breakfast or cut vegetables or watch movie or anything can be done here. It is basically like a breakfast counter. And this is the entrance view of the kitchen. From the utility area, you will be able to see this view. There is a door given in the design for the kitchen, but I'm not going to go for the door. It's going to be an open kitchen. And these are the lofts, the mid unit and the bottom unit of the kitchen area. The chimney is here and the water filter will be installed on the other end, and in the mid unit I have given 4 hydraulic openings for the cabinets and 2 normal doors with adjustable partitions in between. You can actually adjust the partition plates inside the cabinet according to the height of your containers. In the bottom unit I have just opted for the oil pull-out and the cutlery tray. Under the sink area will be used for the dustbin storage. The /coffee tiles behind the counter has been changed to white foam tiles. Please do let me know in the comment section if you like this color combination or your thoughts about it. Even if you don't like it, let me know in the comment section why you don't like it and why you don't prefer such bright colors in your kitchen. But the reason why I went for this particular color is that it's really inviting, it's really bright and vibrant. I don't want my kitchen to look dull at all, because once it starts to look dull, it starts to look dirty as well. So I wanted my kitchen to be really neat and clean and looking vibrant all the time. It has to be really inviting. So that is the reason why I wanted my kitchen to have some highlighted vibrant colors. Once everything has been finalized, they deliver the 3D design with markings written on it clearly. So just by looking at this design, even a layman can understand what is what and what goes where. How did you like the kitchen, guys? I hope you liked it. I'm really happy and satisfied with the way the 3D design has come out. So whenever we design something in 3D, we make it 99.9% practical so that the same can be replicated in real as well. The interior company first listens to all my requirements and then they give me a breakup of the cost of all the components that I want in the kitchen. The company does not give me an overall cost like your kitchen is going to cost 1 lakh or 2 lakh. The company is not going to say anything like that. They will be giving me a breakup of the cost of each and every component, so that if I feel that this particular component is taking too much money, then I'll exclude that and I look for alternatives, or I'll put something else there which is going to cost less for me. So this is how it works. First they gave me a rough estimate of the cost of each and every component, and after that we started doing the 3D, and in the 3D we changed the requirements here and there little bit, and once the 3D design is confirmed, then they again make the actual estimate of the kitchen based on the 3D design that has been finalized. So this way it is easy for us to set up the house according to my requirement and also have some control over the cost. If you like to check out the interior company that I'm working with, I'll leave their name and contact number in the description box. You can contact them and ask for pictures of the other sites that they've been working with. And currently we are working on the master bedroom design, guys. So once the 3D of the master bedroom is ready, I'll surely share it with you. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in another interesting video. Until then, this is Fatima signing off. Take care. Bye bye.